In this short video, let's look at how a student can pass even if you are one of those people that are termed to be lazy. There are some of us that maybe really don't feel like always reading. Maybe they always say that you are lazy, or maybe you even know that you don't read as you should. So in this video, I will just share a few points, about 5 points that if you use, you can pass your exam. That not everybody will be a bookworm. That is the truth. Not everybody will be a bookworm. Sometimes you just need to read the book and pass an exam and go on to do whatever you want to do. Maybe as a musician, a comedian, and an entrepreneur, or all the rest. So there could be bookworms that want to read, become, or study all these professional courses, but maybe you are not cut out to be one of those people. So we'll just look at a few points that will help you. Number one is the 5 minutes rule. What is the 5 minutes rule? The point is, some of us are afraid of even opening the book. So the 5 minutes rule is just map out 5 minutes and just open the book, look at it, focus on it for 5 minutes. For 5 minutes. I mean, the heavens will not fall. Even if you don't eventually read for 30 minutes or so, just give it 5 minutes. That particular material you want to read, just give it 5 minutes. You can read 5 minutes, stop, move around, come again, read 5 minutes, stop, move around, come again, read 5 minutes. So don't be afraid. Don't be afraid, even though you are termed lazy or you know that you are not always reading. But now that you have an exam to prepare for or an important project to prepare for, give it 5 minutes, get 5 minutes. 5 minutes is not short to look at the book, study, read out the things for 5 minutes. Then you can take a break, then come again. But then there's a second rule I will share with you, which is more effective than the 5 minutes rule. It is called the Pomodoro technique. Say it loud. Say it loud now. I want to hear you say it. Okay. Pomodoro technique. This technique works with a stopwatch. In your phone, there's a stopwatch. In your laptop, there's a stopwatch. There are normal stopwatches where you can set it is more like study or work for 25 minutes, rest for 5 minutes, then come again, study for 25 minutes, rest for 25 minutes, study for 25 minutes, rest for 25 minutes. Do you understand? So the Pomodoro technique is about 30 minutes. But within that 30 minutes, 25 minutes is for reading, 5 minutes is for play or rest. You come back again, 25 minutes for reading, the other 5 minutes is for play. Then within that 25 minutes, you will not allow yourself to be distracted. There should be no room for distraction. There should be no room for play. You should maybe put your phone in silence, no social media notification. That 25 minutes is for study. That 25 minutes you focus on your book, on that particular thing you want to study, whether you're studying with a laptop, whether you're studying online or offline, or with a teacher or in a group. 25 minutes study, 5 minutes play for 5 minutes. Then after 5 minutes, return again for 25 minutes. You can do that twice or 4 times or so. This is just a technique that has been proven by science to help. I hope you are following. If you have not subscribed to our YouTube channel, please go ahead and subscribe. Just hit the subscribe button so that you can see more of our videos. And when you subscribe, you want me to send you past questions, you want me to guide you, send you materials that will help you to pass your exam, or you want to ask us questions, just when you subscribe, you can go ahead and ask your questions. Okay? The next is study smart with past questions. So the smartest way to study is through the past questions. Instead of reading all the textbook, the voluminous materials, if you're able to lay your hands on past questions, most exams you will write, both your university exam, your A-level, O-level exam, classroom exam, just try to lay your hand on the past questions. Now, If it's you are writing WAEC exam, you need past questions, subscribe to our YouTube channel. Once you say subscribe and like this video, tell me you have subscribed and I can send you past questions for WAEC, NECO, JAMB and others. So go get past question. If you don't know how to get the past question for the particular exam you are looking at, please subscribe to this YouTube channel. Then come under this video, tell me you have subscribed and that you need so and so past question for this so and so particular examination. Is very, very, very crucial. It will limit your stress. You will know where the exam normally comes from and just focus on it. Okay. The next secret for you is to study with a group or study with a friend. You are not an island. There must be people in your home or in your school, your best friend, your classmate, your churchmate, your playmate. You can come together studying. Let's make it fun. Make the reading of the book, let it be fun. If you can't just do it alone, even the Pomodoro method we talked about, people can do it as a group. If you also want me to talk to your group, to help manage your group, or you want to join us in our online group, we can also do that for you. But don't study alone, study with your friends. If you have not subscribed, go ahead and subscribe so that you will get notification when we post similar videos like this. If you have not liked this video, go ahead, boop the like button so that more people will see this video. Then comment. When you subscribe, comment and say I subscribe. Then tell me other things, questions, comments in the comment section. Very important. There are some other videos I want you to watch immediately you finish this video. You can see the links in this video. How to pass any examination in 7 days. I will put up the link somewhere in this video for you. How to pass any exam in 7 days. I've made the video. Is a video you cannot afford not to watch. So go ahead and watch. Another one is 7 easy shortcuts for memorizing everything you read. Now that you are reading, even though you are called a lazy student, you need to read once, memorize, read, memorize. So you don't need to forget anything. How to remember what you read. I've also attached this video for you. So go around and watch out for these videos. Okay. The next idea for you, the last, is use technology to make study easy. Technology has made things easy for you, for your friends. You can actually listen to materials. Some of those textbooks are already in audio form. If you have the textbook, the material in your phone, you can actually play it as an audio. Use technology to make things easier. There are also apps, technology study apps. You can go to app stores, search for study apps. There are also apps for timetables. So use technology to make it easier. If you don't know the ones to use, you can open up to me, subscribe. When you subscribe, just ask me those questions and I or my staff will be here to guide you. So use technology. Remember the things we have covered before I give you the bonus steps. We said number 1, use the 5 minutes rule. Then we talked about the Pomodoro method. Then we talked about study smart with past questions, right? Then we talked about study with a friend or a group, right? I recommended some videos. Then I just talked about using technology to make your study easier. There are some apps, applications, materials that can help you to study. Let me give you 3 bonus points for you. Number 1, exercise within this period that you're also preparing for an exam. Just take out time, exercise, stretch your leg, play table tennis, play a video game, Ludo and all the rest. Rest. All work, no play, makes Jack a dull boy. All work, no rest, make Jill a dog girl. So take time to rest. Then also find time to sleep. Sleep cools your brain and helps you to recall and memorize faster. If you want to join our study group, feel free, subscribe, tell me you want to join the study group. I or my staff will guide you. We wish you all the best in this your endeavor as a student. Thank you.